Good evening, everyone. It is February 8th, 2017. We are doing another personal box break for Trev in the YouTube stream. Trev purchased a personal box of 2016-17 Artifacts Hockey. This is the last personal box of Artifacts we do have in stock. If you do like what you see in this Artifacts break, this personal break, we do have one break left in our promo, and it is an Artifacts 10 box break, which is the last break of our promotion. Then we'll get to randomize the list of names and see who gets that complete 13 card set. So here you go, Trev. Alright, so like I said, there are redemptions in this in these packs. Most of them are in the cardboard connections. We just have to look them up in the checklist, but we'll see what comes out of this break. Oh, look at this. This is an Artifacts rookie. That's a wild card. I wonder what this goes to. So this should be in the checklist. This is red 214. So it looks like red 214 is Christian Dvorak of the Arizona Coyotes. So if we look right here, red 214, here it is right here. That's Christian Dvorak of the Arizona Coyotes. So there's one of those right there for you, Trev. Patrick Sharp, Nyquist. Ooh, nice. Some Chicago Blackhawks mojo for Trev. Artifacts. A piece de resistance, I guess. Patrick Kane. Skirt. There's that, and that's the blank. We sold a ton of this stuff at the fanfare 2 weeks ago for the All-Star game. Bunch of people were buying these packs and boxes, so they must have liked what came out of here. Pierre Turgeon, Artifacts for the Dallas Stars, 489 of 499. Dallas Stars hit right there. Remember, guys, this is a personal box for Trev. This was the last personal box we had of Artifacts. So if you want to email me about any other break, any other personal box break, please do so. Jaspy's HobbyLand at gmail.com. Peter Mrazek, Anders Lee, Henrik Lundqvist. Ooh, nice. Look at that. Larry Murphy, Detroit Red Wings, and that is a low number too. 12 of 25. Well, nice low number there for Detroit. Like I said, the redemptions are kind of like, you know, wish they were live. But I actually like the way these cards look. I really do. I think pretty nice cards. Not too expensive at all. Another, look at, add a Larry Murphy collection, Trev. That's for the Detroit Red Wings, and that is a 49 out of 99. Right there. So all you need now is the autograph, right? Then you'll have a jersey, low numbered card, and then the auto. Duncan Keith, Eberle, Taylor Hall. Ooh, look at this. That's Artifacts Rookie 1. Silver jersey. Autograph Relic Redemption. And that's number 1. Who is that? Ooh, I think I know who that is. If I'm not mistaken, this should be Austin Matthews. Man, what a box. Let me make sure. Let me check it out. Yep, it is. It is Austin Matthews. Check that out. There it is right there. Autograph rookie redemptions. That's Austin Matthews. Damn, I can't damn do it right here. In a one box break, guys. Look at that. That's Austin Matthews right there. Here it is right here. That's a autograph rookie relic redemption. Austin Matthews. Wow, what a great one box, man. Let's see what these go for. I want to see this look live, but look at Austin Matthews. Trev shoots and he scores. Good thing it was a redemption when I threw it down. All right, guys, let's open up the last two packs. Ryan O'Reilly, Getzlaff, Jake Allen, Trevor Linden for the Vancouver Canucks. 224 of 299. Vancouver Canucks. I actually want to see what that actually sells for, Trev. Who knows? Live, it might even sell for a ton more. All right, last pack, Trev. Good luck, man. Blake Wheeler, Van Riemsdyk, Ryan Miller, and Grunlund for the Minnesota Wild. 80. What is that? 84 of 499. Michael Grunlund. Remember, guys, so that means there can be some pretty big cards in these artifacts breaks, guys. Although they're redemptions. Sweet. Alright, guys, that was a personal box for Trev of Artifacts 16-17. As you can see, if you go to Cardboard Connection, this rookie 1 autograph relic redemption is Austin Matthews. Right there. Sweet hit, Trev. And here's some other nice cards. Got another redemption right there. This was, I think, Christian Dvorak. That was red 214. So nice hit, Trev. Really nice hit. So thanks for purchasing that personal box with us here at JaspysHobbyLand.com. I'm Jason, and I'll see you guys next time.